Pork chow mein meatball noodle soup. This tasty meatball soup gets its irresistible flavour from Continental recipe base chow mein mince. Start by placing the pork mince and the Continental recipe base chow mein mince in a medium bowl. Using your hands, mix until well combined. Roll 1 tablespoon portions of the mixture into balls and place them on a baking paper lined tray. Next, heat a little oil in a large saucepan over medium heat. Add half the meatballs to the pan and cook turning for 5 minutes or until they're nicely browned. Shaking the pan helps to keep the meatballs round. Transfer the meatballs to a plate. Repeat with the remaining meatballs, then carefully wipe the pan clean with some paper towel. Add the ginger and garlic to the pan. Cook stirring for 30 seconds or until they're aromatic. Add the stock, soy sauce, and 2 cups of water. Bring the mixture to the boil and then reduce the heat to low. Add the meatballs and cook for 8 minutes or until the meatballs are cooked through. Add the bok choy and cook for 1 minute or until just wilted. Meanwhile, cook the noodles in a large saucepan of boiling water for 4 minutes or until tender. Drain well. To serve, divide the noodles among serving bowls. Ladle over the soup and the meatballs. To finish, top with coriander sprigs. Whip up this comforting soup in minutes with Continental recipe base chow mein mince. It makes a warming midweek dinner.